It's the end of week 1 of working life. It's felt odd to be back in a routine, but we've welcomed the change of pace. Plus, we're focused on earning that money to keep living this adventure. In this vlog, we head off to Wales for our first weekend break. Hey everyone, we've just finished our first week at work and we're heading away on our first little weekend adventure. We are heading to Wales. We're so excited. It's Friday afternoon. I think we've got about a 4.5 hour drive, but our van's pretty slow, so it's probably going to take us 5.5 hours, and we're pretty excited. There's a sheep.
This is just like on a normal road.
So cute. There's more over there.
Oh my gosh. Like still walking about eating and stuff.
So cute. We got to our parking spot a few minutes ago and we immediately turned the heater on and got into our PJs, and we are really tired, so we're going to go to sleep so we can get up early in the morning to go explore. Morning, it is 7:30 and we are awake and we are going to head down to the valley and the reservoir. I'm really excited to see it. Well, some of us are awake. We were going to drive down to the reservoir last night. Oh, it's not focusing. Drive down to the reservoir last night and sleep down there. But then it was so dark and we were like, oh, it might be a bit, like a bit of a spooky way to drive down, you know, we might get stuck or something. And also then we'd miss the drive because it was dark, so we stayed in the town and then left the rest of the drive till this morning. The road's just changed to like a really narrow road.
Oh, there's a sheep.
Oh, little sheep, we have to get past you.
Hey little sheepy.
Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. So cute. Whoa, look, you can see the dam. Can you see it, Mo?
Whoa, yeah.
I knew you hadn't noticed.
I was just looking at a sheep.
Whoa.
It's so good.
So good. Look at it. So cool. My gosh, look at that. Look at the waves.
Yeah.
It's a very windy, rainy kind of day. Just pulled over to this parking area because Myron wants some photos. Oh, you're gonna hit that. You're gonna hit that tree. Oh my gosh. Beware of falling rocks. Myron wants some photos of the van next to this rock wall.
There's a huge rock wall there and it's all really dark and grey this time of the day, so I think it'll be a cool backdrop.
It's a bit rainy. We need to get our rain jackets on.
Such a beautiful drive. It's definitely one of the best drives that we've done. A grey day makes it look so awesome. There's a little island over there. I think it's an island.
So I think we're gonna drive over that bridge over there. I think you can drive over it. So cool. Hopefully we can fit. We have to check.
Yeah, we gotta worry about weight limits and width limits.
Width is what I mean, yeah. Looks like in the distance over the bridge there might be another camper van.
Funny.
Maybe. See if there's any signs saying like weight or anything. Doesn't look like it.
Oh, it looks tight.
Oh, I don't know if we can go really slow.
Nah, we're fine.
Oh my god.
It's pretty tight.
Not
though.
fine, like the wing mirrors are pretty close. It must be like sturdy though, like.
Yeah.
I took my belt off so that if we fall into the water I can get out easier.
Water on one side and a 50-meter drop on the other side.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I'm glad we did this in the day. I feel like it would have been a bit too scary at night time. Let's have some breakfast.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. It's like 10 to 9 now.
Breakfast time. How beautiful is this little park outside we have? So perfect.
Nice.
Thank you. Sorry.
We're on a bit of an angle, so all the eggs went to one side, but it's just one of those difficulties. All done and looking awesome. And I'm just waiting for my toast.
I'm feeling a bit sick this morning. I think I might have a tummy bug or something, so but I'm still hungry. So while Myron's having a nice cooked breakfast, I'm having plain toast.
And that is breakfast while you're living in a camper van. And we got some orange juice to go along with it as well. Yum. Not feeling very well at the moment, so I'm gonna go for a walk, check out some of this beautiful scenery, and yeah, it should be awesome. It's a bit windy and cold, but it's beautiful today. Like 2 weeks or so, I always get into like a wow moment. Like, what, 3 weeks ago we're having Christmas at Disneyland in France. From then we explored more of France, we caught the boat to England, we got a job, I did a week of work, and now we're in Wales. Like, life's pretty amazing. I get just these awe kind of moments where it's just like, wow. I'm just like walking through the countryside in Wales at a beautiful reservoir. Like, how did I get here? It's crazy. It's so awesome. Going to go head back to the van and check out another one of these reservoirs. As I went to sit down, my phone fell out of my pocket and fell like 10 meters down the cliff. Oh! Now I'm going to have to go get it. Over the edge there's this little guy. Hey dude! As I said, as I was climbing up to this, I wanted to sit down for a cool shot. But I dropped my phone and it's down. It's just down there. There's a little white thing there. That's my phone. So now I gotta find a way to climb down there and get it. So there's some big drops, like half a meter down. Oh bloody hell, that's a big one. It's like a meter drop there. But I gotta do it. I'm halfway there and you can see it right there. There it is, and it actually looks fine. Oh, that's so good. Sounds on as well. Oh, it's a little bit wet, but it's still good. Here's my little sheep friend, he's pretty chill. Just loving that gorse bush. Water's huge.
When we first started van life, there was like a really limited time to it, you know. We knew we were only going to do a year, if not less. So pretty much for this whole year, it's felt like we've been in a bit of a rush, which is kind of the opposite of what van life is. We've been trying to get all the bucket list things done, and you know, everything we want to do, we want to make sure we accomplish it. But now we're in the UK and we're earning money, we know we can stay longer, and it just feels like there's a chance we could keep doing this for a lot longer. So I feel like a sense of calm, and we're going to be exploring every weekend, but I don't feel like a rush to do everything. It's just like, let's go to this area and see what's there. So this weekend we've come to this area, I don't know how to say it, Elan Valley? I'm not quite sure how to say it. And it's just like, we'll see what we see. And right now, like, there's no service on our phones, so there's no map up or anything. We're just driving and it feels really nice. The bridge.
It's a bit wider this time, which is nice.
Yeah, it feels like it's a lot higher though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Feels scarier.
It's like 100 plus meters.
Yeah.
I'm surprised there's not more cars and tourists around. Yeah, water on this side, and then across the road we have a huge drop. Just a little river coming out of it. It's so beautiful. So now we're at the CLAERWEN, I think is how you pronounce it.
I'll put the words
reservoir.
up.
yeah. Which is this dam, which I think might be the biggest one. It looks really big.
It's huge.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a walk. It's raining really bad and it's cold, but this will probably be our last thing we see for the day. It's gonna get dark in like half an hour or so.
It's so cool that like it is just like a valley, and they've just like built a wall across the valley. So cool.
So creepy. We wouldn't even know how to begin trying to pronounce this town. We have to look it up. We've just come into the town to get some supplies for dinner and stuff. I'm still feeling really sick, so I'm gonna look to see if they've got any ginger beer or anything to help settle my tummy.
So for dinner from the Co-op supermarket, I got some chicken breast, char grill chicken breasts, which turned out like this. You meant to cook them in the oven and I cooked them in the pan, so I cut them up into quarters to make sure they're cooked. Then I'm going to put them onto some bread and then have a little sandwich. Yum. So now we're walking to the second reservoir.
Have we said it's the next day?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
So now we're going for a walk to the second reservoir. There's not much information, there's no like information boards that are usually like at the start of walks or anything. It's kind of annoying. It's just the same one that shows them all, like every single place. So I don't have any information on this reservoir whatsoever because there's also no internet. But yeah, you have to walk to this one.
No, there's sheepies.
Oh, there's sheep blocking the road.
But what if they try and attack?
I don't know if they're going to let us pass. If you're not from New Zealand, watch the movie Black Sheep and then you'll find out about how dangerous sheep really can be.
Oh my god, do not watch that movie.
It's like a horror movie where sheep attack people and eat them, and yeah.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. So the dam we're walking to is this big wall here. And you can see a little, I don't know what that is on the top of them. They all have them. They're little huts or something on the top. huge. I'm having to pan left to right because it's so big and you can't take a shot of it from very far away. These tree roots are amazing. There's barely any dirt on it. It's all just, all the roots are floating in the air. It's so cool.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.